Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So today we're going to learn Vedic math. And it says here to solve the following: 99 times 98.
Before you start off, I have a question. What is Vedic math?
So it's just like a different type of multiplication. So you multiply in a different way and it's much faster and easier.
Oh, and how is Vedic math helpful?
Well, like I said, it's much faster. You solve your math much faster, like 99 times 98. It would take you a couple minutes to solve that. But in Vedic math, if you use that, it's gonna take less than 10 seconds. If you memorize it good. Okay, so the first step, okay? Zahra, do you get it? Wait. So what you do first is that you find the deviation from the base. So what is our base, you ask? Okay, our base is always higher than this. It should not be lower than 99 or 98. So the closest thing to here is not 1,000, it's not 10,000, it's not 100,000, right?
Yeah.
And it's obviously not 10. So it's going to be 100, right? Our base will be 100, okay? And then now we find the deviation. So deviation is like how far away it is from 100, okay? So I'll just write the problem here again, okay? And then I'll write my -1 because this is how much deviation there is, right? And then -2 here, okay?
What's deviation?
So deviation is like how far away it is from 100. Or any number that you have given it.
Okay.
So what is 99 minus 2? What is 99 minus 2?
97.
Yeah, so this is how you do Vedic math, okay? You do it like a butterfly basically. Like this. So both these answer will equal to how much?
97.
97, okay? Both of them will equal to 97. So make a partition here and write 97 right here, okay? And then now we find the product, okay? We find the product of -1. We find the product of -1 times -2. So now these are negative numbers. So -1 times -2 is... No, it's 2. It's 2. But remember, there are 2 zeros here, okay? So there has to be 2 digits here. So 2 digits. And we already know one of the digits, which is 2. So here will be a 0. And our answer, if we search it up right now, 99 times 98 is equal to 9702.
Can we check
that
our
fast
answer to make sure if it's right?
Yes, sure. Okay. Let's use another color. Here, let's solve it right here. 9 times 8 is
72.
72.
72.
Again, and 79, right?
0.
And then,
Placeholder.
Placeholder.
81.
What is it?
81.
81. And then another 81. So it's 9 times 9 is 81 plus 9 is 89. Right? Okay, 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 1 is 0. And 1. So that's 17. And then 1 is
9.
And our answer is
9702.
Isn't it right?
Yeah, that's easier.
It's so much faster than this. All of this is so much faster. So let's try again but with a higher number. Okay? Let's do, how about 970? Okay? Is that good? Times
Yes.
999. How about that? So we'll do this. And we'll use Vedic math. So this is -30. The base is 1000. This is -1. Okay. So 970 minus 1 is?
969.
And this is also 969, right? So make a partition. What is it? 969. 9. And then we have two, we have how many digits? We have 1,000, right? It's 1,000, so it's 3 digits. So we know there are going to be 3 digits here. But we have to figure them out. So negative 30 times negative 1 is 30.
Really?
You have to multiply, you don't add. So it's 30, okay? 30, and then there's another 0 because it's a leftover, right?
Okay.
And our answer is
969030.
9693030. That is our answer.
Can
Let's
I
check
try
it.
one?
Yeah, let's check it now. Okay, let's check our
Okay.
answer. Wait, what is the question? 970 times 990, 9. So we'll write it down right here. 970 times 999. Let's solve for this. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 7 is 6. 9 times 7 is
63.
63. 9 times 9 is
87.
what? 9 times 9 is what?
81.
Okay, and then
87.
87, and then we add our beloved placeholder. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 7 is 63. And then 9 times 9 again is 81 plus 6 is 87. And then we add 2 placeholders.
I got my
And
answer.
then
I
we
did it
have
on my pink board.
Another 0. Nice. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 9 is 81. And then another 87. Our answer is, wait.
Just a minute, I'm not done. Our answer is 969030.
Yep.
My work.
8 plus 11 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Plus 3 is 19. And 8 plus 7 is 16 plus 1. And then we have 96903. Isn't it correct?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't Vedic math helpful?
Yeah.
And we're done. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Smash that like and subscribe buttons. Thank you. Bye.